They've got a recording.
Oh, okay.
Okay, she's not being very...
She's embarrassed. She's such a natural. You can't see her.
She's hiding.
She just looks great. She's such a natural, isn't she?
She's trying not to look.
Why is she hiding?
She's behind that girl.
She keeps hiding behind the girl in blue, look.
And she's purposely not smiling.
She's so good today. Her facial. It's just easy to get sucked up about her facial expressions.
So she's hiding.
Yeah, we'll have no choice here in a minute. She comes to the front row.
Oh, thank God. She needs to get a little more enthusiasm.
She almost makes it look like it's just nothing, you know, it's just like normal every day.
Well, that's good. She's trying to cool in front of us.
No, I'm saying she's just so natural.
Oh.
Look at those legs go.
That was easy next to her. Boy, that timing is good, eh? How long has she been doing this? Like,
Oh, since she was
There she is in front.
3, 2, 3. Let me move here.
she's just a natural for her.
Oh, she hit on me.
She's in that back corner. You can see her in the mirror.
Yeah. Mirror shot.
It's like a new version. of
Here, I'll
something.
get Sophie.
And this, see this little girl holding up the tea? She
Yeah.
lives next to us, 2 doors down.
Okay.
The blonde. She's a twin.
Sophie doesn't like me either.
It is so cool. It's just so good. So good. Will you send me did you get the video?
No, Sophie's in.